Good morning. Today I wanted to talk about beliefs. In particular, I heard this phrase somewhere. Beliefs are really decisions that you make on a daily basis. Beliefs that you have accumulated over your life are really decisions that you're making. So let's have an example. You want to replace a car. Your car is getting older, so you do your research, and let's say you want to buy a Mazda or you want to buy a BMW. It doesn't really matter which type of car. But the point is, you made a decision that you like this particular type of car. What happens next is, let's say you go for a drive for 2 hours. You're going to see that particular car everywhere. Where was this car a week, 2 weeks ago, a month ago? Somehow your brain wasn't picking it up at all. Only when you made a decision that this is the best car for you, you then start seeing this car. It's a very interesting phenomenon. Even if you don't want to change a car, just think which car you would want to buy next, and you're going to start seeing this car everywhere. So the idea about these beliefs making a decision, it could be applied to anything in life, right? It could be applied to your business, to how you perceive your boss, what beliefs you have about this boss. It's turning into a decision how you're going to act towards this boss, or how you're going to act towards people that you meet. It's a fascinating topic, really. I have to look more into it. Anyway, just an idea. Let me know what you think.